Organizations face a deluge of security alerts. Over 60% are false positives or low priority noise, and analysts often spend a third of their day investigating them. That not only causes alert fatigue, but delays real threat detection, dissolves context, and also increases risk. Traditional SIM approaches often overwhelm analysts with noisy alerts and complex rule tuning. With this recent release in Log 360, we re-engineered our detection engine to address this issue. Our advanced detection engineering now includes over 2,000 new cloud-delivered security rules that cover anomalies, MITRE-related threats, external malicious threats through threat intel, and complex correlation use cases. Delivered directly from the cloud, these rules ensure that your detection coverage is always current without the burden of manual updates every now and then. But it shouldn't be just about quantity, right? It should also be about smarter detection. While many SIMs require deep expertise in proprietary query languages like SPL, KQL, or even AQL to fine-tune rules, Log360 makes it simpler. We offer intuitive, analyst-friendly object-level filtering so you can target high-risk assets directly and reduce noise at the source. The result is fewer false positives and more time for your team to focus on real threats. Supporting all of this is Log360's enterprise-grade, scalable architecture. As organizations grow and security data explodes across on-premises systems, cloud applications, and even remote endpoints, Log360 is designed to keep pace. We now support horizontal scalability with multiple log processor nodes working in parallel. Each node can take on specialized roles like correlation, alerting, or even search for better performance. With a multi-site architecture, logs from distributed locations can be collected and processed centrally. Additional capabilities like high availability and secure gateway support further strengthens resilience and secure connectivity across sites. In short, Log360 is enhancing its unified security analytics platform that combines advanced detection, reduced false positives, continuous cloud-delivered content, and a resilient, scalable architecture. All designed to help your security operations center move faster, stay focused, and defend against modern threats with confidence. Discover how Log360's 360-degree re-engineered detection can strengthen your security posture today.